guys, ano yan sa unit, no? Honda Civic ini guys. Tagiyan regularly service to the service. So ano natin gagawin natin dito is service lang to, basic service. So before tayo magbaba ng oil, like because the car is sitting in here overnight and the engine is very cold, so we gonna I start the engine already. Then we're gonna bring up the engine up to operating temperature, so the oil will mix up, and then if there is sludge with the oil sump, then the sludge will be dilute and it will go down to the oil itself once we drain the oil. Okay, so the engine is running like about 5 minutes now. You can open here. Let's see. Some here. This is Honda Civic. You can see. So yeah. Natin yung ganyan, itinan na natin yung kanyang steering, medyo matigas yung steering niya. Yung kanyang steering type is electronic, like electric steering. So check natin yung battery after the service. Check natin yung battery because yung battery kasi meron siya 3 years warranty. Brand like 2 years warranty. So battery is the storage power, and then if the battery is bad, then that will take effect on the disadvantage of the electric power steering, para masusure sa traffic light. So we're gonna take the health of the battery after the service. So obviously napapanan natin ng oil, 530 oil guys, 530 generic oil. So obviously ang mga Honda Civic is 4 liters na, kaya din ka oil capacity 4 liters kinito. Okay, so basic service only, oil filter. Very stiff. It's very stiff steering. So very stiff, like very dry. So tingnan natin. Battery charging. Start yung makina dahil check muna natin yung kanyang battery. So black, negative, driver side. Keep the window down like that. So some of these model, they are like automatic lock, no? And then if the key is inside, then you have no access. So that's it. So in order to have the quick access, you have to open up here, the driver side. Just in case the car lock on its own, then you have access, quick access. So when you start the engine, we're gonna find out what's the story of the alternator here. So that's good. It's good, it's good. Might be overcharging. Okay. For now, thank you.